some street signs too. See the legibility of a couple of street signs. I'll stay in the middle to slow lane. This little tracker doesn't like going fast. It likes going 60 to 65. It's only 80 horsepower. Okay, here's what the rear-facing camera looks like. When I was reviewing rear camera footage, I noticed there was a lag in the audio, like it wasn't in sync, so we'll see what this looks like when I review the footage. But it should be nice and bright. You can see what's going on. Hopefully I make this look good. That's pretty good. Nice and smooth. Hopefully I make this look good. That's pretty good. Nice and smooth. Going 65 miles per hour right now. 65, cruise control. Lots of cars on the road right now. So observe the cars and observe the freeway signs. See if you can see the legibility of the signs. So power slide action on a closed course and or computer animated. About to enter the freeway. See if you can see the legibility of the signs.